Hi friends, in this video we are going to continue working on converting customary units, and this time we're going to be working with customary units of weight. Okay, so again, the steps for converting are the same. First, we decide if we multiply or divide, determine what is equivalent to 1 unit, complete the conversion, and then make sure it makes sense. Okay, so here is the weight conversion chart. So ounces are the absolute smallest that you can get with weight. And then we go to pounds. So there are 16 ounces in 1 pound and 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. So there's not a lot to remember as far as U.S. customary system for weight. Our first problem is how many ounces are in 784 pounds? So we have 784 pounds, and we're trying to go to ounces. So what we need to ask ourselves is which one is larger? Well, pounds are larger than ounces. So we are going to be multiplying. Okay, then step 2. How many ounces are in 1 pound? How many ounces are in 1 pound? Well, there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So I need 784 groups of 16 to get my answer. And then I will just complete that multiplication. So 784 times 16. Okay, and I get 12,544 ounces. Okay, and then I can ask myself, does that make sense that 12,544 ounces could be in 784 pounds? And it actually does make sense because ounces are much smaller than pounds. So let's look at our next example. Mrs. Judd's car weighs 4,000 pounds. Wow. So the first part says, how many tons does the car weigh? So we have 4,000 pounds, and we are looking for tons. Okay, how many tons is 4,000 pounds? So step 1, we're going from pounds to tons, which is tons are smaller than pounds. So we're going to be dividing. Then we need to figure out how many pounds are in 1 ton. And if we looked back at our conversion chart, it would tell us that 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. And then we can complete our conversion. So we have, we're going to divide 4,000 divided by 2,000. Okay, well, we know 2,000 will go into 4,000 2 times because it's double. So it is 2 tons is the answer. Does that make sense? Absolutely, because there are 4,000 pounds and then there are 2,000 in 1 ton, so there are 2 tons. Now we need to figure out how many ounces this car weighs. So again, now this time we have 4,000 pounds and we're going to see how many ounces. So we're going from pounds that are larger to ounces that are smaller. So we are going to multiply. Okay. Then we need to figure out how many ounces are in 1 pound. And we said there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Okay. And so what we're going to do is multiply 4,000 times 16 to get our answer, just like this. So these are the steps that we're following. Okay. Okay, and our answer is 64,000 ounces. Does that make sense? It's much larger than pounds, and ounces are smaller, so it would make sense that there are more of them. Okay, so that is the correct answer, and it does make sense. So in this series of videos, we've been working on converting customary units of all different types of measure. And so coming up next, in our next playlist, I'm going to be working on converting metric units. Stay tuned.